Okay, first up is our habanero. I've only got a couple of these. They're not doing the best, but I suppose they're just slow growers. For 25 days they should be a lot bigger, but this is probably the smallest chili type that we've got. Slowest speed, sorry, of growth. But let's keep them going and we'll see what happens with them. The black jalapeno. I've only got 2 of these. Quite leggy, but they're coming along. I really think I have hope. Let's see. Let's see if they make it. The Bueno Mulata. Just stunning leaves. I can't wait to see. I hope this plant makes. I do have 3 of these, I believe, 3 or 4 maybe. And I just hope they make it through, because they're supposed to be cayennes that are purple. You know, I can't wait to get them in a stir fry and see how they are. But looking good. Again, the colours just mind-blowing. Beautiful. Keeping the purples going, we've got the dream catcher here. I think I have about 5, maybe 6. Again, these leaves, the markings, just stunning. And the Zimbabwe black, just the one Zimbabwe black. I think he's going along nicely. Again, those leaves are nuts. But we got a couple of fresh light green leaves there. That's come along within the last 24 hours, I believe. Looking good. Here's the sweet banana. Just the one. And the leaves are looking beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Here is the Zebrange. But look at those leaves. I cannot wait to try these. Stripy orange bell pepper, crown bell pepper looking craziness. Beautiful. And the regular jalapeno pepper. Looking great. Nice strong broad leaves. Here we have the Tabasco. I have 3 of these and this is the best grower so far. Looking good. Looking forward to making some Louisiana style sauce with this one. And here is the large orange Thai. Quite tilted. I need to make sure he's directly under the light so he can straighten up. Looking alright. Then we've got 2 or 3 of these. And the cayenne. Getting some extra leaves in the middle coming through. Do have some of these in the cups. This is the best grow at the moment. Obviously it's in the bigger pot, so that makes sense. Do need to turn him towards the light because he is tilted quite a bit. But he'll adjust, straighten up, it'll all be good.